Basically got the rad cap, like filler neck, and the upper inlet. Got that line all cut and re-welded. I gotta go back tomorrow because we still gotta do some, we gotta redo some lower mount setup. Other than that, I just stopped by Princess Auto, grabbed a couple things. I'm gonna go back home, mock up the rad again, and take some more measurements. Maybe do a couple drawings of the spacers and lower rad mounts that I want to get Curtis to help me make up on the lathe and weld to the rad. And so we're gonna do that now, and then we'll head back to the shop tomorrow. So basically I have to relocate these mounting pins, and this needs to be spaced. So I'm going to try and draw up some spacers that will get welded onto here, and then we'll just mill those down to fit in the rubber bushing. Got a basic drawing just to communicate the idea behind my mount. So we're going to make that. What's up, guys? Finally, we're getting some like super nice days here. So I just finished work. I'm heading back over to the shop. I'm gonna finish up. Maybe I should roll my window up before I start recording. I'm gonna finish up doing those lower mounts on the rad, hopefully today, and then we'll continue with putting it back into the car. Right here. Still have an old head.
I never realized that one was just a 5-cylinder.
I decked it.
Yeah.
But never did the valves or anything. I was going to swap it on my current vehicle, but did not. So it will remain here another while. So Curtis told me my idea was stupid, and we did this instead. Basically just much sturdier and was much easier to weld these brackets on instead, and then put the locating pins on there. So those pins I am going to test fit now, and this should be the last test fit to see if it works and if it lines up with my stock locating points. All right, let's see. Success. Very nice fitment. Fits into the factory mounting points. So the only thing left is to drop by the shop tomorrow and pick up my last two pieces. Curtis is going to weld up 2 hose reduction fittings so that I can go from this 1.5 inch down to the 1.25 inch to match up with my stock rad hose, so that at least I can still utilize that piece that's tucked all the way back in there. So I'll have one of those there, one of those here, and my factory temp sensor will get remounted onto the reduction fitting as well. So we'll do that tomorrow. Today, we're gonna cut these brackets and get my 2 hose reduction fittings from Curtis, and then it should all be able to go in tonight So let's go do that. Alright guys, just finished up the brackets and the reducer, the hose reducer fittings, and I think we're good to go. I think I got everything that I need now, so we're gonna head back to the house and put this thing together. So my two brackets, basically one will go here, and the other one with this sexy corner will go just exactly like that. So I'll just get most of my hose stuff set up, then I'll pull this out, I'll mount my fans, wire in the plugs, and then throw it all back together. Got those plugs wired on now, and we can throw that in now. Finally! I want to see mountains again, Gandalf. Okay, so we're on like day 5 now, day 6 now. I don't know. I'm beginning to lose track of how many days I've been working on this thing. It's a pretty long project just because of working during the week for one, and then having to fab all that stuff for 2. Last night I got everything all mounted in the car and hooked up. I'm gonna probably try and fill the system now and start it up, run it, and make sure nothing's leaking. And then if that's all good, I'll zip tie the cables up. Then I will throw my front bumper back on, go to the car wash, and wrap this thing up. For this video anyway. Then we'll have more to come.
No! God, please, no! No!
Well, just screwed myself there. Oh my god. Literally just was trying to tighten this thing a little bit, and it twisted right off. So now the inside of it is still threaded in there. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. Nice. And I was literally just about to put coolant in it. Right on. This might actually work. I was so close to being done. Well, I'll just go get another fitting, see if I can like drill and tap it. Probably this guy should end up working. Hopefully I just don't have to mess around for an hour trying to drill and re-tap these threads. So we shall see how that goes. Alright, well that was a mess around. So now that we're done with that, we are going to fill the system. And then we'll see if we're all good. Don't mind the rest of my gross engine. I'm not seeing any leaks, so that's good. Fans kicked in. Those fans go hard. Oh, that's good, they work. Fans are a little bit aggressive, but like I'm actually amazed. They literally turn on for like 5-10 seconds and I can feel the air go from hot to cold in that time. Pretty crazy. So looks like we're in business. Finally got this thing all done. Probably just gonna throw the bumper on, take it for a drive, and then we'll end the video. Alright guys, well that's it. Now I'm ready for driven with a day to spare. Was a little bit stressful there. That's it. It's back up and running. All good. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.